Welcome to YouTube channel Kadam Academy. Dear friends, I have two channels, Kadam Academy and Python for Engineers. We have started the problem solving skill video series. Under this problem solving in everyday life, what are the everyday life problems? Problem solving is the key skill required for a software engineer or any engineer or any graduate, or we can say any diploma holders or anyone in their life, as it helps to develop the technical as well as the soft skill also. Many employers nowadays are recognizing the value and placing significant investment in developing the problem solving skills of their employees. Dear friend, watch the video. At the end, you will get the various everyday uses problem solving skills that you may not have thought about this with their solutions. Okay. And the first is the problem we'll discuss: stuck in a traffic and get late for work or school or college. With busy schedule and competing demands for your time, getting where you need to be on time can be real challenge. When you need to be on time and there is a traffic backup, so problem solving skill here will be helpful to you to figure out the alternatives to avoid the congestion and resolve the immediate situation and develop a solution to avoid encountering the situation in the future. Encountering the situation in the future. So friend, so we can avoid this traffic. That means the problem solving skill. And next is the what is that stain on the living room? You can observe here carpet, living room carpet. Parents, pet owners, or spouses face the situation all the time. The living room carpet was clean yesterday, but somehow a mysterious stain has appeared and nobody is claiming it. In this situation, in order to clean it effectively and get it like original carpet, first you need to figure out what is this stain is of what material or why this stain is appear. So here is the problem solving skill is help you to track down the culprit, diagnose the cause of the stain, and develop an action plan to get your home clean and fresh again. What is that smell coming from teenage son's rooms? The problem solving parent knows from experience that the source of funk is probably in the bottom of the closet or the under the bed. The challenges in figuring out how to contain and mitigate the impact and develop actionable solution to avoid the situation in the future. So they will get the solution. Next, I'll show you why. Why is the baby crying? Is this just an incident that can be resolved with a diaper change or feeding or some sleep, or there is a underlying problem like stress, illness, or discomfort that requires further investigation and attention? Here come the problem solving are the parents' best friend. Okay, friend. Next is the this. I don't think the car is supposed to make that thumping noise. As with the problems in the workplace, this may be a situation to bring a in problem solving expert. We have to show it to the problem solving expert in the form of your trusted mechanic. And if that isn't an option, the problem solving skill can helpful to diagnose and assess the impact of the situation to ensure you can get where you need to be. So friend, this is the in general problem. So my daughter has a science project due tomorrow. He has to show on tomorrow. So sometimes this challenge, impact, isn't impact, it's urgency. Yes. Here again, problem solving can be helpful. You quickly assess the situation and develop an action plan to get that science project done in all time. Next is the very general problem, friends, in your life coming. What should I get my spouse for his her birthday? When everyone think about her birthday, what should I take it? The gift. As with many problems, this is the one may not have a right answer or apparent solution. It's a time to apply those problem solving skills to evaluate the effects of past decisions combined with the current environmental signals and available resources to select the perfect gift to put a smile on your significant or the other's face. Okay, so you have to take the right decision. What happened? Someone plus an entire roll of toilet paper and water is backing up in the tub. See, ooh, oh, time to think quickly. There is an urgent situation that must be addressed to contain the impact. A cause to be identified, who is responsible, and action plan for bringing this back to the normal. Here again, problem solving can help you to avoid panic and potential for costly cleanup. Next is the I have to complete the proposal. I have date, and that deadline got moved up to this afternoon. Oh, suddenly the deadline is moved up 2 days before. We have been working on that big proposal and for weeks, and it's a down the final 3 days. When you receive a call that deadline has been moved up to today afternoon, then here again, problem solving skill can help you figure out whether you will be able to meet the new deadline, and how your approach may need to change. So friend, what's for a dinner? Whether you are planning to eat alone or with your family. So that will the entertaining the friends, colleagues, meal planning can be cause a daily stress. So applying the problem solving skill can put the dinner dilemma into perspective and get the food on the table and everyone will happy. So friend, problem solving skills aren't just workplace. Yes, they can be applied in your everyday life. Friend, also if you have taken the admission to higher study for the engineering or polytechnic or any branch, there will be process of admission, and like a DT Maharashtra or any DT in India, they have the process, the stepwise admission, and you have to solve that your problem by analyzing the cutoff and the study of the colleges that will give you the better admission in selected branch. Friends, if you have any everyday problem, you can submit your everyday problem to get the solution on video on that one, and just fill up this Google form. A link is provided in the description also. And these are the few videos I'm going to provide you to give the solution on these different topics. So friends, I have different channels, Khan Academy, Python for Engineer. So please subscribe and like and share it maximum. Friend, thank you very much for watching my video.